the Explorer. Dora saves Mermaid Kingdom. Hola, I'm Dora, and this is my best friend Boots. We love the beach. We love the ocean, the warm sand, the bright blue sky, and the sunny sun. Today is Clean Up the Beach Day. That's when we make sure the beach is nice and clean. Let's pick up all the garbage and put it in the garbage bag. Do you see any garbage on the beach? See, there's a juice box and there's a food wrapper. ¿Qué más? What else do you see? If you see more garbage, say basura. Mira, there is a big clam on the beach. To tell the big clam to open, say abre. Great job! This big clam has a special story to tell us. The clam story is about the Mermaid Kingdom. Once upon a time, a mean octopus dumped garbage all over the Mermaid Kingdom. Luckily, a mermaid named Mariana found a magic crown so she could wish all the garbage away. But a wave washed away Mariana's magic crown, and now she can't stop the mean octopus. We need to help Mariana and the Mermaid Kingdom by finding that magic crown. Where could it be? If you see the crown, say Corona. Do you see the magic crown? There it is. Now we can bring the crown back to Mariana. Let's find the Mermaid Kingdom. Who do we ask for help when we don't know which way to go? See, map. Say map. Map says that we have to cross the seashell bridge and then go through the pirate island to get to the Silly Sea. That's where we'll find the Mermaid Kingdom. Come on, vámonos! We made it to the seashell bridge, but we can't get across. That mean octopus has covered the bridge with garbage. Let's look inside backpack for something to clean up the bridge. Say backpack. Is there anything in backpack that we can use to clean up the bridge? See, a vacuum cleaner. Now that we cleaned seashell bridge, we can get across. Let's count the shells as we cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gracias. Thank you for helping us cross the bridge. We made it to Pirate Island, but the coconut trees are in our way. The pirate piggies show us how to do the coconut conga to get past the trees. Ready? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Now we need to cross the Silly Sea. Look at all these silly sea animals. Who can help us swim past them all and through the Silly Sea? Yeah, dolphins. My cousin Diego can help us call the dolphins. To help Diego call the dolphins, we need to say, squeak, squeak. We made it to the Mermaid Kingdom. Let's give Mariana her magic crown so she can clean up the Mermaid Kingdom. Oh no, we're too late. The octopus threw a big net over Mariana. Now she's trapped. Ooh, Mariana gave me the crown just in time. I put it on and now I'm a mermaid. Fantastico! The magic crown lets me have one wish. What should we wish for? Let's wish to clean up the Mermaid Kingdom. Ready? I wish to clean up the Mermaid Kingdom. There is still garbage in the kingdom. We're going to need help from our ocean friends. Say, clean up time. Excelente! Mermaid Kingdom is getting clean. Now we have to rescue Mariana. Vámonos! Let's pull the net off of Mariana. Muy bien! Now she is free. Mira, the net fell on the octopus, and he has fallen in the garbage. The octopus promises to put all garbage in the garbage dump from now on, instead of on the Mermaid Kingdom. Hooray! Lo hicimos! We did it! Mariana needs her crown back, but she gave me a magical mermaid necklace so I can visit her anytime. I know that we'll be friends forever, just like you and me. Thanks for helping me save Mariana and the Mermaid Kingdom. I couldn't have done it without you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram. See you next time.